In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Cloudways. When you launch a new application on Cloudways, you usually get a temporary address ending in cloudwaysapps.com. That works for testing, but if you want visitors to reach your site through your own domain from GoDaddy, you need to connect the two manually. The good news is that the process is straightforward once you know where each setting lives. First, sign in to your Cloudways account and open the application you want to connect to your domain. On the Access Details page, look for the field labeled Public IP. This is the server address your domain will point to. Copy that IP address and keep it handy because you'll paste it into GoDaddy in a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to your GoDaddy account. Go to My Products, find the domain you want to use, and open its DNS settings. In the DNS records area, find the A record with the name shown as the root domain symbol. Edit that record and replace the current value with the public IP you copied from Cloudways. Leave the TTL at its default setting unless you have a specific reason to change it, then save your update. After that, find the CNAME record for www. Edit it so that it points to your root domain without adding the www prefix. This makes sure both the main domain and the www version lead visitors to the same website. Save that change as well. Now go back to Cloudways. In the application dashboard, open Domain Management. Add your full domain name there and save the changes. Once the domain appears in the list, open the options beside it and set it as the primary domain. This tells Cloudways to serve your website when that domain is requested. With the domain connected, the next step is to secure it with SSL. In the Cloudways sidebar, open the SSL certificate section. Keep the default Let's Encrypt option selected. Enter an email address for certificate notices along with your domain name, then click Install Certificate. This enables HTTPS so your site loads securely in the browser. Finally, do a quick review. Make sure the domain appears correctly in Cloudways. Confirm that the SSL certificate shows as active, and double check that your DNS records in GoDaddy point to the correct server IP. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if the site doesn't update instantly, give it a little while and check again. Once that's done, your GoDaddy domain should be successfully connected to Cloudways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.